morning, students. We will continue reading of the chapter that is Interdependence in Environment. Take out your environmental studies book and refer to page number 75. Let's begin. Interdependence for food. All kinds of plants and animals that live and interact with each other in a particular area constitute a community. They depend on each for their survival. Sunlight is the main source of energy. Only green plants containing chlorophyll have this ability to use this energy and produce food by the process of photosynthesis using carbon dioxide and water. Students, look at the picture carefully. You will see the things which are necessary for a plant to carry out the process of photosynthesis. They are carbon dioxide, energy from sunlight, and water. So basically, plants make their own food in the form of sugar or glucose by absorbing the light energy of the sun, and in return they give us sugar plus oxygen. Continue reading. Green plants are thus known as the producers, and all other living organisms are known as consumers, as they depend directly or indirectly on plants for food. Look at the given picture carefully, where you can understand the difference between producer and consumers more clearly. Producers are the organisms that make their own food using sunlight, that is plants, whereas consumers are that eat the producers or other consumers. So basically, producers produce their own food, whereas consumers eat other things. Continue reading. Some animals, birds and fish eat only plants. They are known as herbivorous. Example, deer, zebra. Some other animals eat the animals that have eaten the plants. They are known as carnivorous. The two kinds together make a food chain. Many food chains together form a food web where all the living organisms are interdependent. Animals like cow, horse, etc. eat only plants, so they are known as herbivorous. They have wide and blunt teeth in front for pulling off leaves and grass. The back teeth are broad and strong, which are used for chewing. Animals which feed on the flesh of other animals are known as carnivorous. Example can be tiger, wolf, fox, crocodile, etc. They have 4 long pointed teeth called canines that help them to tear the flesh. Their back teeth are strong and help them to chew the flesh and bones of other animals. Examples are shown of herbivorous as well as carnivorous in the pictures. We will try to understand what is food chain. Look at the given pictures carefully. I will explain one of the pictures. The third picture that is shown, you can see plants using sun energy or sunlight to grow, which is further eaten by deer, and deer is further eaten by lion. What is a food chain? Flow of energy in an ecosystem is one-way process. The sequence of organism through which the energy flows is known as food chain. Food chains together form a food web. The more realistic way of looking at the relationships of plants and animals in an environment. So several food chains, when linked together, form a food web. Very much, boys. This is the end of the section that is interdependence for food. I hope this audio visual aid of mine along with PPT was quite helpful for you to understand the concept well. Once again, boys, thank you very much.